So hi everyone, my name is Ravis and I teach philosophy and literature, and in this video I'm going to give you an overview of the 19th century literature. So 19th century witnessed a massive social, political and industrial transformation. So on the one hand, it was an age of nationalism, and on the other hand it was an age of imperialism. So nationalism, because we were about to witness a two different new country emerging out of the European continent. One was Germany and the other one was Italy. So because of the Industrial Revolution, there was three different classes emerged. One was high class, the second was bourgeois, which is middle and upper middle class, and the third one was labor class. And this could also be seen as a spring of hope as well as a winter of despair. Let me put it this way, as beautifully Charles Dickens writes in his A Tale of Two Cities. He says, "It was the best of the time, it was the worst of the time. It was the age of wisdom, it was the age of foolishness. It was an epoch of belief, it was an epoch of incredulity. It was a season of light, it was a season of darkness. It was a spring of hope, it was a winter of despair." How beautifully portrayed that was of 19th century, right? Well, 19th century also witnessed the rise of the positivism in the hearts of the bourgeois class. So who are this bourgeois class? Well, the middle class and the upper middle class were the bourgeois. So because of the Industrial Revolution, many people were migrating from village to the town for their better life, for their better job, So not just that, but it is also important because in 19th century, we saw many different social and political movements, especially in literature, especially in art and literary theory. So such as like realism, naturalism, aestheticism, and then we have seen symbolism, and we have seen Marxism as well. So we will look at it one by one as the video progresses. So please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get all the latest videos on literary theory and criticism. Thank you for watching.